In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a clothing shop using the GoDaddy website builder. We'll go through the basic setup process from the very beginning. So if you're brand new to GoDaddy or creating an online store, this will be easy to follow. The goal here is to get you from opening your account to the point where you're ready to start building your site. To begin, open your GoDaddy account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in first so you can access the website builder and online store options. Once you're inside your account, look for the option to sell products online. This is the feature that helps you create an e-commerce website, which is exactly what you'll want for a clothing shop. After you click to sell products online, continue to the next screen. At this stage, GoDaddy will guide you through a few setup choices. Simply select the options that best match your shop. Since you're setting up a clothing store, choose the choices that fit your business type and overall store needs. Take your time here, because these early selections can help shape the setup experience and make the builder more tailored to your shop. From there, just follow the prompts on your screen. GoDaddy will walk you through the setup step by step. And one of the first important details you'll be asked for is your shop name. Enter the name you want your clothing store to use, then click Continue. Make sure the name is accurate and presented the way you want customers to see it, since this can become part of your branding throughout the site. Next, the platform will let you enter your contact information. Fill in the requested business details carefully. This information is often used for store settings, customer communication, and other key business functions, so it's a good idea to double-check everything before moving on. After that, you'll be asked to describe your business. This is where you can tell the platform more about what your shop offers. Keep your description aligned with your clothing store so the setup remains relevant to your business category and goals. Once you've finished that section, click Continue again. At this point, you'll be taken into the website builder, where you'll be able to start building your site. This is where the real customization begins, and you can move forward with designing your storefront and preparing it for customers. And that's the initial GoDaddy clothing shop setup process from start to finish.